of the Senate is about to begin. On your screen is the Speaker of...
Ona thutha wa gikaro kia mugwanja gia kugeria kuigwithaniria mutaratara uria ukuhuthika kugaira thirikari cia kaunti besha guthaganio umuthe bunge-ini ya Senate kihonia gitinoneka thutha wa senators kuraririria gikaro giki oro ringi.
Mr. Speaker, my own people of Kiambu expect a resolution. The people of Mandera expect a resolution, Mr. Speaker. And so, Mr. Speaker, I want to propose, Mr. Speaker, that we proceed with the discussion. Let us have the debate. Let us have a healthy debate. Let's have proper contributions. Let's have a resolution to this matter, Mr. Speaker.
Riendekithia ria kuraririria mutaratara uyu riikirio ni Senator wa Kaunti Elgeyo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga no mwaka senators maheo ihinda riganu ria kuigwithaniria niguo utikahuthike mutaratara wothe ukuhinyiriria kaunti imwe.
This gives us room for us to go and find a lasting and uniting formula. And I beg my brother Senator Sakaja, even though we have received as many threats and many problems, including headlines, I beg you, my brother, to accept this adjournment motion and be part and support it. Let's find a formula that will unite our country.
Na thutha wa Speaker wa bunge no Kenneth Lusaka gwathana wikia wa kuro tafanio niguo kumenyeke kana nimekuraririria gikaro giki kana sha senators 38 manyita mbaru guterio kwaguo guku senators 26 makiuga uthie na mbere na haha kionia kia NDUGAMANO ya ugai wa kigina kiiriria oro ringi.
Abstentions 1, nays 26, ayes 34. The ayes have it.
Now we don't have the luxury of time. We must give the country a direction.
But it is better for us to talk and achieve consensus. I emphasized the word consensus the last time, rather than a situation where we are creating gainers and losers.
Nikurari na riendekithia ria kigina giki kigayagwo kuringana na wingi wa andu handu ha warie wa migunda undu uria ukoretwo kiamburura magwani ngurani atongoria kaunti iriri rugongo rwa bururi makiuga ni mekuhinyiririka na njira nene.
And Mr. Speaker, I'm happy that this battle has now come to an end, and we are now 47 counties under the territory of Kenya negotiating for good funding of all our 47 counties.
We cannot close our eyes on the conversation that Mandera, Mr. Speaker, even though it has few people now and less occupied by people, is because, Mr. Speaker, its potential has not been exploited.
Kwaga kuigwithanirio kwa mutaratara uria ukuhuthika kugaira thirikari cia kaunti besha ni kuonania ati kuhota gukorwo na wagi wa kigina gia kuigana makaunti-ini mamwe ma magavana makiuga gutire na besha cia gutwarithia na mbere uthii wa na mbere ona kana kuriha mishara ya aruti a wira kaunti.
A leadership, Mr. Speaker, of a Senate like this that has men and women who are aspiring to lead this country, some who are party leaders, cannot, Mr. Speaker, take sides against its citizens, Mr. Speaker.
Muthenya wa ira muikariri gite wa kamiti ya CRA irihanganagia na maundu megi ugai wa kigina makaunti-ini Jen Kirengai ni arahinyiriirie ni mehariirie kuingira NDUGAMANO ino niguo kaunti ihote kwamukira kigina giothi wa na mbere.
Mr. Speaker, it has not helped to unite the country. The original report will not help unite the country. But there is an opportunity for all of us as a Senate to have a conversation, Mr. Speaker, around this subject matter and come to a conclusion that, Mr. Speaker, those who are losing by a huge margin may perhaps lose very little. Those who are gaining by a huge margin, Mr. Speaker, may gain a little.